TBS Dental, Instruments Maintenance and Care Guide. FRINGS and Hinged Instruments Maintenance. Once FRINGS and all hinged instruments are thoroughly rinsed and dried from the ultrasonic bath, lubricate with TBS Protect Milk twice a month to ensure optimal performance. Step 1. Pour TBS Protect Milk in a container large enough to fit your hinged instruments. Do not dilute. Step 2. Submerge hinged instruments in TBS Protect Milk for 3 seconds while opening and closing the instruments a few times. Step 3. Let the instruments dry thoroughly or pat dry with a non-abrasive cloth, bag or wrap, then autoclave. You can also lubricate FRINGS and all hinged instruments with 1 drop of paraffin oil or white oil inside the hinge after pre-cleaning twice a month. For more information, contact a TBS representative or visit tbsdental.com/protectmilk.